Welcome to AI Interior Design Hub. In this video, we are sharing Boho interior design tips for beginners. Number 1. Start with a blank canvas. This means clearing out any furniture or decor that you don't want to keep and painting the walls a neutral color. This will give you a fresh start and make it easier to create a cohesive boho look. Number 2. Mix and match patterns and textures. Boho style is all about mixing and matching different patterns and textures. This could include anything from floral prints to paisley patterns to animal prints. The key is to have fun and experiment with different combinations. Number 3. Use natural materials. Boho style is often inspired by nature, so it's a good idea to use natural materials in your decor. This could include wood, stone, wicker, and rattan. Number 4. Add some global flair. Boho style is also influenced by cultures from around the world, so it's a good idea to add some global flair to your decor. This could include anything from Moroccan rugs to Indian textiles to Asian lanterns. Number 5. Don't be afraid to layer. Boho style is all about layering different elements to create a rich and textured look. This could include layering rugs, pillows, blankets, and curtains. Number 6. Add some plants. Plants are a must-have for any boho-inspired space. They add a touch of nature and help to create a relaxed and inviting atmosphere. Number 7. Accessorize with eclectic pieces. Boho style is all about being eclectic, so don't be afraid to accessorize with unique and unexpected pieces. This could include anything from vintage finds to handmade crafts.